So now let's see how we can apply blocks effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go ahead and apply the blocks effect, first of all, you need to go ahead and select out the image, then go around onto the effects menu right here, and then go around over here onto distort. And over here you can see that blocks is an option. So once you go around and apply it, you can see that it seems like the blocks are distorted. So you can go around and change around the block width, as you can see, and change around the block height as well. And you can even go ahead and change around the max offset right here, so that you can see that it actually comes forward right here. So you can see that now the blocks effect right here actually goes ahead and cuts out all of these different parts of these areas into different pieces, and that is what you have. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that the undefined area is white, but I can also go ahead and change around the color of it just like this as well. You can go ahead and change it out into original image as well, and you can go for inverse image as well, just like that, so that you can see negative. You can go for black or white or others, and then choose the color of your choice as well, just like this. And this is how you can go ahead and utilize the blocks effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.